In today's world, safety is a top priority. The ASTM F3561 standard was created to enhance protection in critical situations. The glass is subjected to 10 shots with an AR-15 5.56 NATO FMJ ammunition. Although the bullets penetrate the laminate, the glass structure remains intact. This standard allows for penetration but ensures the glass continues to act as a solid barrier. The glass is then subjected to a 100-pound ram, applied progressively through 8 levels based on drop height. Each level involves 2 impacts, increasing in height to simulate increasingly intense forced entry attempts. This rigorous testing validates the glass's ability to withstand high-energy impacts without compromising its containment. Our interlayers are tested at various thicknesses and levels, achieving distinct classifications within the ASTM F3561 standard. These results demonstrate the adaptability and resilience of each interlayer type in providing reliable protection, even after multiple impacts. Even under such extreme force, the glass, strengthened with SentryGlas, continues to hold together, preventing any breach. SentryGlas offers 5 times the tear resistance, ensuring long-lasting protection and clarity, even under extreme stress. With ASTM F3561, SentryGlas interlayer sets the standard for advanced protective glass technology. Ensure your building is equipped with the highest standards in safety and protection. Because security is not about luck. It's about lock.